guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So guys, this video is about one of the most loved states of India. You can say it's a fun capital of India. Yes, you guessed it right. I'm talking about Goa. I guess guys, Goa is the only destination in India which is always on the bucket list of people. I mean, even if they have visited this place and if they are planning, a short trip to relax basically, this place will definitely hit their mind. I mean, who wouldn't love to enjoy the pristine beaches? And for the party or nightlife lover, oh, this place is a paradise for them. As we all know that Goa is famous for its beautiful beaches, nightlife party, the carnivals, the hospitality of Goa, water sports of course. But do you know that there is a beach in Goa which glows in the dark? Yes, so in this video you will find the information about that glowing beach along with some other interesting and exciting information about Goa. So stay tuned guys and watch till the end. And yes, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So Goa is the smallest state in India by area and has many beaches. But guys, if you think that this place is only about beaches, then please think twice. Of course it has lovely beaches, but it has other exciting attractions and information which will definitely impress you. There are many national parks in Goa and also has bird sanctuary which we all know. So do you know that there is a naval aviation museum in Goa? If yes, then do you know that this is the only naval aviation museum in Asia? Yes guys, so actually there are two military aviation museum in India and this is one among them, but we have only one naval aviation museum in Asia and that is in Goa. So this museum showcases the evolution of Indian naval air arm over the decades, and the rich history of Indian naval aviation. There is a collection of vintage and soaring aircrafts, their engines and much more. Basically, this is a great place for aviation enthusiastic people, and even I guess others should visit this place, knowing the fact that this is the only naval aviation museum in Asia. So this museum is at Bogmalo Road. Now I'm going to tell you about one interesting place to visit in Goa. Have you heard about Technology Art Museum? Yes, so India's first tech art museum is in Goa. Newly added attraction and started last year only, but guys, this is definitely a must visit place and worth experiencing in person. The name of this place is Sensiston. So it's an art tech museum which provides a stimulating experience through its interactive art and technology. Isn't it amazing guys? It definitely is. There are many unique rooms with specific themes using, virtual reality, light projection, etc., which gives visitors an unique experience. Guys, this place is amazing. I cannot explain more about this place because this place is an experience by itself. Means it cannot be explained or expressed through words. It has to be visited and, experienced in person. So guys, if you're planning your next trip to Goa, then please put this place in your bucket list. And yes, if you want any further information about this place, then please comment in the comment section below. Goa is famous for its art and culture. So there are many other interesting places, like art galleries, libraries, museums. Yes, there are many other interesting museums as well, like Wax Museum, where you will find the wax statues of many famous personalities of Indian culture. Vintage car museum. Yes, there is vintage car museum in Goa and many other things guys. Churches, how can I forget? We all very well know about that. There are many other interesting facts about Goa guys. Like, do you know that the first printing press in India was established in Goa? Yes guys, Goa attraction Dudhsagar Fall, which is said to be one of the India's tallest waterfalls. Goa has large number of bars and is famous for casinos. You must have heard about the floating casino. Yes, Goa has the floating casino and it is said to be one of the best and biggest floating casino in Asia. Yes guys. I forgot to tell you about that glowing beach of Goa. So guys, we all know about the glowing beach of Maldives, California and other locations. But guys, there is a beach in Goa which glows in the night sometimes. So it's a Betel Batim beach, which is in South Goa. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. So guys, there is neither any magic behind it, nor it's a fake story. It's all natural and scientific. So basically, there are bioluminescent phytoplanktons in the water. They are, living organisms which lives in the water. So whenever waves or, tides, hit the shore, you will see bluish light which glows. It's really amazing, guys. It's worth experiencing in person. So again, put this place also in your bucket list if you're planning your next trip to Goa. Or if you have already visited this place, then please let me know your experience in the comment section below, guys. Also, Goa is famous for its cuisine. I mean, we all know about the Goan fish curry, prawn curry, and many other cuisine. Also, you will find one Goan or Portuguese version of samosas there. They call it chamuka. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So basically, it is same as samosa, but the filling is of chicken, lamb, vegetables, and other things. And the famous alcohol, the local Goan alcohol, which is feni. Goa is famous for its water sports, and we all very well know about that. And guys, there are many other interesting places and exciting locations to visit in Goa. But in this video, I have picked only few. Basically, I wanted to pick those which are not that much known about. Guys, you can visit Goa anytime, and you will definitely enjoy it. However, the best time to visit Goa is from October to May, when probably there is no rainfall. But even if you're visiting Goa during monsoon, it has its own beauty and charm, I mean, the place would be more greener, the temperature is cooler, and you can enjoy the inner portion of Goa, the inner region of Goa. Hope you have found some new information about Goa in this video, or if you already know about these things, then thank you so much for watching. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, then please press the like button, and guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video with everyone. I'll come up with some new videos soon. Till then, bye guys.